Hey everyone, welcome back. So you need to update the email address connected to your Clash of Clans account. Maybe you lost access to your old one, or you just want everything organized on a new email. The good news is that Supercell finally made this way easier. You don't have to fight with a support bot anymore. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it right inside the settings. Let's jump in. First things first, let's get to the right menu. It's a little hidden if you don't know where to look. Go ahead and open Clash of Clans and tap the Settings gear icon in the bottom right corner. At the very top, you'll see the blue button that says Connected next to Supercell ID. Tap that button. This will open up your Supercell ID profile card. Now look for the other Settings gear icon inside this profile menu, usually on the top left or right of the card, and tap that. Okay, now you should see your current email address right there on the screen. Right next to your current email, there should be a button that says Change Email or just a little Edit pencil icon. Go ahead and tap that. It's going to ask, do you have access to this email address? You need to click Yes here. Quick note, if you don't have access to the old email anymore to get a code, you can't use this method. You'll have to contact player support directly to recover the account. Before they let you switch, they need to make sure it's actually you. Supercell will send a 6-digit verification code to your current or old email address. Pause the game, go check your inbox, and grab that code. Come back to Clash and type it in. This effectively unlocks the account for editing. Now for the easy part, putting in the new address. Once the old email is verified, the screen will change and ask for your new email address. Type it in carefully and do it twice to be safe. Now you have to do the verification dance one more time. Go check the inbox of your new email address. Grab the code they just sent you, type it into the game, and hit confirm. And that is it. You'll get a pop-up saying email updated and your village is now safe and sound on the new address. If this helped you out, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. It really helps the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the arena.